Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be solving cubes on a trail in Colorado. So let's go. Alright, so here I have 2x2. I'm just going to solve this normally, nothing special. 3, 2, 1, and go. Doing a 3x3, and there's Pikes Peak in the background, which is pretty cool. It's really snowy, but I'll just do another regular solve with 3x3. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, that was a pretty good solve, so we'll see what time I got. I'll have the timer in the corner, so yeah. Now I'm going to be doing a one-handed 2x2 solve in the woods. Pretty cool. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright. Not that great at one-handed solving, but I imagine that was probably pretty good compared to what I normally get. So the time's in the bottom screen. I don't know what it was, but it's pretty good. And to finish things off, I'm going to do a little 2x2, 3x3 relay in front of this pond. So I'll start with 2x2 and 3, 2, 1, and go. Now I'll do my 3x3. Alright, I'm not sure how fast that was, but both of those solves were pretty good. So, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and check out these other videos on your screen. We'll see you next time, and bye. No, I'm not joking.